Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw records from Smartsheet when form submissions misfiled. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the workspace where your form submissions are located. Open the specific sheet that holds the records you need to review. Check the submission date and any other filters to identify misfiled records. Look for the filter icon in the toolbar at the top of the sheet. Click the filter icon to access filter options. Select the criteria to narrow down your search for misfiled submissions. After applying the filter, review the displayed records closely. Once you have identified the misfiled entries, highlight the rows containing those records. Right-click on the highlighted rows to open the context menu. Select Copy Rows from the context menu. Navigate to the sheet where you want to move the records. Right-click in the destination sheet's first empty row. Select Paste Rows from the context menu. After pasting, verify that all records have been transferred correctly. You may choose to delete the original misfiled entries if they are no longer needed. Finally, save your changes to ensure all updates are recorded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.